Vybz Kartel, the dancehall legend, recently went live and gave fans several updates. Kartel spoke about his upcoming international tour, shouted out a few artists, and even addressed questions about Mavado. He also hinted at new collaborations with Shenseea and UK rapper Giggs, saying one of the songs could shake the world. Take a listen to what Kartel had to say. Like, subscribe on Sonic Snap.
Me there Boston this year. The tour sick, just believe me, the tour mad. We're active with the Boston this year, man. You know the ships, New York, Philly, the whole thing, Miami, London, Germany, Skirt, everywhere. Guadeloupe. We're there Guadeloupe the day after Sumfest. Look out for that. Big up DJ, man. Yeah, Toronto, see me. We're come shell Toronto this year again, man. If me and Mavado link back. Me and Mavado no link no back. Big up David. We are shell the globe this year. Yeah, man. Gaza, Gully. Yeah, man. Forward into an arena near you, or a stadium. Look out. Big up Minneapolis. Big up Minnesota. You know what the thing said? I'm one of your favorite supporter. Come to Vegas. Why? Big up Mr. Vegas. IG, Facebook, and Twitter. We had Panitry up them. Stop teacher, I must see that them. Capucci, when I put in a song, there you go talk. Trinidad, Jamaica link up. Yeah, that for go on. Yo, Trinidad. You see that song there with the young brother? The video forwarding soon. Vybz Kartel, young brother. Look out for the video. That I was sick. Big up Scatter Burrell. You don't know him as the producer, you see me? Yeah, that's sick. Yeah, man, big up young brother. That's a collaboration you didn't know y'all needed. Yes. One chinny on the app. Amen.
What collaboration needed?
Kiss me, baby. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we outside, man. Don't know. Shenseea Vybz Kartel, I like to play same way. Don't know. The whole of England, you hear that? Yeah, man. Big up Sench, yo. Favorite song that in Essential C and J us, you know. Yeah, man. Big, yo. Have a blood clot song I drop with Giggs. England, remember me to tell you. Have a song I drop with Giggs. And I tell you to shake the world like Tupac and Biggs. Watch. St. Lucia, yeah. Big up St. Lucia. One Caribbean. Yeah, man. Yeah, rich life, but we poor liquor. Yeah, man, big up the London team. You hear that? The whole of England. You don't know. Big up Brixton, Summer Leighton, Coal Harbour Lane, Acre Lane, the whole thing. Yes, see them is beautiful. Yeah, man. Active.
Thank you.
Yeah. Somebody said money isn't all. That's true. Being broke isn't all either.
That's true.
Right, baby? Clap that for me.
Hey.
Oh, yeah, man. When may I drink? I'm drinking.
I'm drinking rum and Red Bull, and you see, let me heart full.
I'm drinking.